Welcome to Implement PSD2 Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will explore the Payment Services Directive 2, its compliance requirements, and the practical steps to implement it in our organization. This directive is reshaping financial services across Europe. Let us dive in. We begin by understanding what PSD2 is, why it was introduced, and what it means for financial institutions and payment service providers. These core concepts are essential for understanding the PSD2 landscape and our compliance obligations. SCA requires at least 2 independent authentication factors, significantly reducing the risk of payment fraud. Open banking enables third-party providers to access account information and initiate payments with customer consent. ISBs aggregate account information from multiple banks, giving customers a unified view of their financial data. PISPs can initiate payments directly from customer accounts, creating alternatives to traditional card-based transactions. Third-party providers are the new entrants that PSD2 enables, creating competition and innovation in payment services. Now let us focus on the practical compliance requirements and step-by-step implementation approach. Implementing PSD2 follows a structured roadmap that addresses regulatory, technical, and operational requirements progressively. We begin by conducting a thorough gap analysis against PSD2 requirements to understand our current state and needed changes. We design the technical architecture for open banking APIs and strong customer authentication that meets regulatory standards. Implementation covers API development, authentication systems, consent management, and the security controls PSD2 requires. Rigorous testing ensures our APIs, authentication flows, and security controls meet both regulatory and technical requirements. Ongoing operations include monitoring API usage, managing TPP relationships, and maintaining continuous compliance. Strong customer authentication is one of the most impactful PSD2 requirements, and understanding its details is critical for compliance. The knowledge factor relies on information only the customer should know, such as passwords or PINs. The possession factor verifies the customer has a physical device, adding a layer of security beyond passwords. Biometric adherence factors provide the strongest authentication because they are unique to each individual customer. Dynamic linking ensures that the authentication is bound to a specific transaction amount and recipient, preventing manipulation. PSD2 has fundamentally transformed the European payments landscape, creating both challenges and opportunities. Before PSD2, banks held exclusive control over customer data and payment channels, limiting innovation and competition. PSD2 opened the market to innovation while strengthening security, creating a more competitive and secure payments ecosystem. Meeting PSD2 security standards requires attention to multiple technical and organizational dimensions. Dedicated APIs provide TPPs with secure, standardized access to customer data while maintaining control over our systems. Robust consent management ensures customers explicitly authorize every data sharing and payment initiation request. Real-time fraud detection and transaction monitoring protect both our organization and our customers from unauthorized activity. Comprehensive audit trails demonstrate compliance to regulators and provide evidence for incident investigations. Let us recap the essential insights for implementing PSD2 successfully. These 2 pillars form the core of PSD2, fundamentally changing how payments are authenticated and how data is shared. Understanding and managing TPP relationships is essential for both compliance and competitive positioning in the new landscape. A phased roadmap ensures we address all PSD2 requirements comprehensively without overwhelming our teams. PSD2 compliance is not a one-time project, but an ongoing operational responsibility that requires sustained attention. If this preview clarified the PSD2 landscape for you, the full Udemy course provides detailed implementation guides, compliance checklists, and technical architecture patterns. Enroll today and navigate PSD2 compliance with confidence. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Implement PSD2 with clarity and build trust in your payment services.